Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to switch between improper fractions and mixed numbers. If I have a fraction where the numerator is actually bigger than the denominator, in this case I will call this fraction improper fraction, and I can represent it in a different way, which is the mixed number. With following simple steps I will be able to do this in seconds. Let's get started. Let's take the first example, 10/3. In case I want to turn it into a mixed number, first of all I have to do the long division with remainder. After applying the long division of 10 divided by 3, I'll have my answer 3 remainder 1. Now I wanted to take into consideration these ideas. The denominator will never change in this conversion. From improper to mixed or mixed to improper, the denominator will always stay the same. So in this case, directly I will put over 3 because it doesn't change. Now what's going to happen here to the 3 and the 1? They will simply drop down in their places, and this is the representation of 10/3 in mixed numbers. That's how we do it. So the 10/3 can be written as a 3 and 1/3, and that's how we do it. Let's take another example. Let's say here I have 13/5. As I said, directly apply the division. 13 divided by 5, the long division with the remainder, it will become 2 remainder 3. As I said before, the denominator never changed, so it's stay over 5, and simply these numbers will drop down in their places, and the improper fraction 13/5 can be written as 2 and 3/5, and that's how we do it. Now let's learn how to do it in the opposite way. Let's take a mixed number and turn it into improper. Let's say here we have 3 and 2/7. Okay, as I said before we start, the denominator stays exactly the same, so it will stay over 7. My problem is, what is the numerator? To find the numerator, all you have to do is follow a cycle. I will multiply, then I will add. 7 times 3, that's 21, plus 2, that's 23. And that's the improper fraction, 23/7. Let's take another example. 1 and 3/5. As I said before anything, the denominator stays the same. It will stay over 5. And to find the numerator, you have to follow the cycle. Multiply and then add. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. And that's how we do it. Let's take the last example. Let's say I have 23/6. So let's turn it into a mixed number. Let's apply the division. It will become 23 divided by 6, which is equal to 3 remainder 5. Okay, as I said, the denominator stays the same, so it will stay over 6, and simply these numbers will drop down in their places, and the mixed number is 3 and 5/6. Let's double check our answer. Let's turn it back into an improper fraction. So as I said, the denominator stays the same, and how to find the numerator? You'll apply the cycle. Multiply and then add. So 6 times 3, that's 18. 18 plus 5, that's 23. And there we go. We have the same answer, and that's how we do it. That will be it for this video. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below.